guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, afternoon, evening or night whenever you're seeing this video. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Shooting after a week. I know like my week was very unstable with time and I genuinely did not wanted to shoot for just the sake of shooting, and I wanted to enjoy my shoot so that even you guys enjoy watch my video. So yeah, and finally I decided that I should get ready and come on the videos because I don't know I don't know, like, okay, I will get ready and come on to the videos. And also one more thing, whoever can guess what is one thing that has been changed in me in this 1 week will get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, like go in the comment section and comment and let me know what did you find that I have changed in myself. So excited to know if you guys can notice or not. So it's not that I've got ready and come on the video. That's something I said. So it's not that. So don't comment that you did makeup and came on to the video. No, it's not such. So yeah, yeah. So as you know by the title, I'm going to make a lip and cheek tint. Now for the longest time since I have been exploring makeup, I have noticed one thing, that I am obsessed with blushes, more even from the highlighter. I am obsessed with blushes because I think it just makes my cheeks look very chic, if you know what I mean. So I have been tried a lot of powder blushes, but I think they just don't really work good for my face. I don't know, like I have tried a lot of tints as well, but they did not really left me that shocked when I made this one. It was like, oh, wow, and it blends so good that even if you are someone who is like me, who is not good at blending, can easily blend it, because this is very blendable. You can blend it how much ever you want. You can apply how much ever product you want, and you can blend how much ever you want. That is the best thing, and there are just 4 ingredients and it's just very nice. I should stop blabbering and let's start with the video. So the 4 things that you're going to need are food color. So I have the 3 leaves food color. I have the tomato red liquid. So if you want like a pink tint, I don't know if you get like a pink food color, I'm sure you would be getting. I wanted red, so I went for red. If you want like a pink one, you can definitely go for pink, no harm. So this is it focusing? Okay, so this is how it looks. Focus. Yeah. So the next thing, if you have seen my video, so I have been showing this in my video. It is the RK Aromas aloe vera gel. So this is the second ingredient that you got to need. Third is rose water. You can go for any rose water. This is the Dabur rose water one, so you can go for any. So the last thing is almond oil. So I have the Rogan Badam Shireen. So packet is really bad because I have this for a long time now. So yeah, this is the badam oil that I have. So you can use any oil you want. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, but I don't really like the smell of it. So I prefer for almond oil, because almond oil has a very basic fragrance, and it when you mix it with ingredients, you can actually not feel any fragrance. So that is what was my thing for me to take almond oil. So now let's start with the ingredients. First up, I'm going to take the aloe vera gel. Like I'm going to make a really small amount of it because like I have it. So I will put down in the description box below the measurement that you can use for like 1 month, for bottle of 1 month. It will approximately go on for a month. Currently that I'm making is like a small test patch. So if you want to test it first, you can use this measurement. Otherwise you can just make like a full bottle. So because I directly went for a full bottle and I love it. I'm just so happy that I did make it. So yeah. So I'm going to take a bowl, and into that I'm just going to put half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Like not even half, I'm going to take 1/4. This is test patch now. I'm going to take just a little bit amount of it, and I'm going to put it okay. So now you have to just whisk it nicely with the spoon itself. You have to make it like a very creamy texture, very creamy. Huh? The noise is irritating, right? So I'll just mix it and then I'll show you. Okay, so the mixture is ready. You cannot see the aloe vera gel because like my aloe vera gel is transparent. So you have just to whisk it for like 15 seconds so it becomes a very smooth paste. And preferably don't use the natural one aloe vera gel. Use like a bottle of aloe vera gel, or like I showed you the RK one, because the original aloe vera gel is very thick and it's like very hard. So you cannot put it in the paste form that easily. So go for like a good bottle of aloe vera gel, whichever you feel like. Now next thing that we're going to put are rose water. So you need 2 tablespoons full of rose water in it. One and the second. Now mix this again nicely with the aloe vera gel, so you know that there is no issue back then. So I'm just mixing it with my hand because थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखने के चक्कर में मैं स्पून तो लेके आई, बट मैं हाथ से Okay, so now I think it is pretty much ready. It smells really nice. Sorry for my voice, huh? It sucks, I know. Okay, so the third thing that I'm gonna add is food color. Now, a lot of people think that food color will harm your skin, but it's not such. It will not. Like it's genuinely better than those beetroot colors and everything, because definitely they are natural. I totally agree with that point. But you cannot keep that blush for a really long time. You cannot store it because fruits tend to dry up or rotten or something like that. So you shouldn't store that. So this is completely okay. And okay, don't apply it on your cheek if you think that oh it has food color. Apply it on your hand and then apply it on your cheek. I will just show you a swatch when it's ready. So I'm just taking one, not even 1/4. I'm taking less, like 7 drops of it. 1, 2. It's freezed, you know, it was in the freezer. 3, 4. Yes, this much should be enough. Okay, so I have the food color. Such a pretty red color it has turned out in. And the last thing that I'm going to do is put 4 drops of almond oil. You have to be very cautious if you put almond oil, because if you have like a oily skin, then if you like put a lot of amount of oil in it, it is going to be look worse and patchy. So make sure you just add 3 or 4 drops of like almond oil or any oil that you want to put in. So I'm just going to do that. help me. Okay, काफ़ी मेहनत के बाद ये खुल चुका है. So I'm just gonna put like a bit. Okay, that should be enough. Like put a very little amount of it. It's actually just to thicken it up a little and give that thick texture that like blush should have. So let's put that. And the final mix. And my blush is ready. So I'm just gonna show it to you on my hand. Okay. Can you see that? How good does this blush look? Woo! I don't know why the light is just obstructing so much. This is not, yeah. And the best fact is, if you apply this blush, you are just not supposed to apply, I think, any highlighter as well, because it gives you just a natural finish. Your best blush that I think I'm gonna use. Like even the most costliest blush are just not that good. I don't know, I'm just loving it, man. Please see that. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks now. Can you see that? You can blend it as much as you want. There is no obstruction for any blending. You can just blend it that easy with your hand. You don't need any sponge or anything to blend it. And I look like a joker on my nose. Just blend it. Can you see that? I love this blush. I'm going to put more. Look at it, man. How pretty does that look? So, how did you like it? I am in love with that blush. Do give this blush a try. I'm sure if you are someone like me who is obsessed with blushes, you're gonna love it. And my hands are pretty red right now. It's just very okay. You have to just wash your hands and this redness would go. But I love my fingers to look a little red. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed and were shocked with this recipe like I was when I just applied on my face. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.